Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to prime the MaxxForce 13 engine, and we usually do this in case the driver runs out of fuel or air is sucked into the fuel flow, so it's pretty easy to do. Here we have it on the driver's side. This is where the engine fuel filter is, and to the left of it is the little cap right there for the primer pump. So they have to take that cap and twist it, unscrew it like this. Once it's unscrewed, it's gonna pop out a little bit. Alright, it's gonna take a second. Alright, once it's unscrewed, see here, it's gonna be able to pull it up, and that's like a little pump. And basically all he has to do is keep pumping it until it gets hard. All right. And once it gets really hard to pump, that means that the engine is primed. Oh, and he just takes it and he twists it on again. Make sure it's nice and tight. And that's how you prime the engine.